How to get started with Looker in healthcare. Your healthcare organization's data holds the key to transformative insights, but without the right tools, its full potential remains out of reach. When leadership asks for a detailed report on how to improve patient outcomes or streamline operations, it takes days, or even weeks, to piece together fragmented data. Now imagine having those insights in seconds, ready to guide critical decisions. That's the difference Looker makes. With Looker, you can transform raw data into actionable insights that drive better outcomes and improved efficiency. This is your moment to transform how your organization makes decisions, a call to embrace a smarter, more data-driven future. Looker is a business intelligence platform designed to simplify how organizations explore, analyze, and visualize their data. By connecting directly to your data sources, Looker eliminates silos and provides real-time insights that fuel better decision-making. Today, we're going to explore how Looker can solve the challenges healthcare organizations face, empower teams with actionable data, and unlock opportunities that were previously out of reach. This is your chance to leave behind outdated processes and embrace a smarter, more efficient way forward. Don't wait until inefficiencies pile up or critical decisions are delayed. Get the free implementation guide by clicking the link in the description and see how easy it is to revolutionize your healthcare organization with Looker. With this guide, you'll discover practical steps to connect your data, streamline reporting, and empower your team with real-time insights. Start transforming your data into a strategic asset today and lead your organization toward better outcomes and greater efficiency. Let us guide you step by step toward meaningful, data-driven change. Healthcare organizations often face a data problem. Patient records, operational metrics, and financial data are stored in silos, across different systems, departments, and even formats. This fragmentation makes it nearly impossible to get a unified view of what's happening across your organization. Leaders are forced to rely on outdated reports or make decisions without a full understanding of the situation. This inefficiency doesn't just cost time, it costs lives when decisions are delayed and resources are misallocated. Operational challenges add to the complexity. Traditional business intelligence tools require extracting and duplicating data, which is both time-consuming and error-prone. And without consistent metrics or definitions, different departments might produce conflicting reports, leading to misalignment and mistrust. Looker eliminates these problems by connecting directly to your data sources. Whether it's patient records in a secure database, operational metrics in your ERP system, or financial data stored in the cloud, Looker integrates seamlessly. It allows your team to explore and visualize data in real time, with no need for extraction or duplication. With Looker, you can centralize your metrics, ensuring that everyone in the organization is aligned. It empowers teams to create interactive dashboards and reports that update automatically with the latest data. Leaders can make informed decisions faster, whether it's optimizing patient care workflows, reducing costs, or preparing for regulatory audits. Looker also provides robust security and governance features, ensuring compliance with HIPAA and other healthcare regulations. Getting started with Looker is straightforward. Begin by connecting your existing data sources, such as patient databases or operational platforms, to the Looker platform. Use LookML, Looker's modeling language, to define your metrics and create a consistent foundation for reporting. Then, build dashboards tailored to your organization's goals, whether they're focused on patient care, operational efficiency, or financial performance. Sticking with fragmented data systems and outdated tools has serious consequences. Decisions take longer, creating bottlenecks that delay patient care and reduce operational efficiency. Errors creep into manual reports, eroding trust and potentially leading to costly mistakes. Teams grow frustrated with their inability to access or align on reliable data, and the organization risks falling behind more agile competitors who have embraced modern analytics. Worse, regulatory requirements aren't optional. Without robust data governance, your organization could face penalties, reputational damage, or even legal action. Every day without an effective analytics solution compounds these risks. When you take action and implement Looker, the transformation is both immediate and impactful. Your organization gains a single source of truth, ensuring that everyone works with consistent and reliable data. Leaders can make faster, better decisions powered by real-time insights, enabling the organization to respond swiftly to challenges and opportunities. Operational bottlenecks become a thing of the past as teams are empowered to explore and analyze data independently, without needing to rely on IT support. This newfound efficiency not only saves time but also fosters a culture of innovation and collaboration across departments. The benefits extend even further to patient care, where optimized workflows and data-driven decisions lead to improved outcomes, reduced wait times, and more efficient healthcare delivery. Looker's scalability ensures that as your organization grows, your analytics solution grows with it, maintaining seamless performance and functionality. With robust compliance features built in, Looker helps your organization confidently meet regulatory standards, safeguarding sensitive patient data and avoiding costly penalties. By adopting Looker, you set the stage for long-term success, empowering your team to deliver exceptional results today and into the future. Failing to address your data challenges risks more than inefficiency. It risks the very trust and care patients expect from your organization. Without a unified, real-time analytics solution like Looker, you'll continue to struggle with slow decisions, wasted resources, and avoidable errors. But by adopting Looker, you position your organization as a leader in healthcare, using data to deliver exceptional care and operational excellence. Now is the time to act. Download the free implementation guide using the link in the description and take the first step toward transforming your healthcare organization. With Looker, you're not just adopting a tool, you're building a foundation for data-driven excellence. Let us help you unlock the insights that will shape the future of your organization.